Hey, it's Sharon here from Content Sparks, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do an early bird bonus during a product launch or a course launch so that you can increase scarcity and encourage people to buy a little bit sooner and not wait till the very last minute. This works particularly well when you have a longer launch and you want to give some sort of incentive to get people to buy a little bit earlier. So I'm going to hop over to my email marketing platform and show you how I did it with one of our recent launches. So here I am over in ActiveCampaign. That's the email marketing platform I use, and I love it because it does have lots of different features, but it's not overly complicated, and they give great customer support. So the customer support actually showed me how to do that. What I want you to do on this particular launch is when people bought our program on Create Your Business Growth Plan before a certain date, then they'd get an early bird coupon of $20 to use on future purchases. So there are really just these few simple parts to that automation. There's the goal date, that's at the bottom. So the system does check to see whether the goal date has been reached, or the goal, because you can have other goals, has been reached before it takes any action. So I'll just show you that first because I want you to understand how that works. So they actually set this up for me at ActiveCampaign and showed me how to do it, which was really nice. All I did was put in the time, so 12 a.m. after the date. So the day, that would be the day after the early bird bonus was supposed to end, and the month. This was November. It ended on November 14th, so it's set as the 15th. So that's the goal date. And after that date, the automation won't run. Okay? So that's in there. And then all I had to do was put when the automation actually starts. So in this case, it's when the tag for that product is add to a customer's record. So what happens in my system in WooCommerce is somebody buys something, there's a little SKU code that we put in. You have to do that in WooCommerce. And then my plugin that integrates with ActiveCampaign pulls that in and adds that as a tag to each customer. So when, for your records, for your customer, you have a little tag on your record in ActiveCampaign that shows all the products that you've purchased. So when you've purchased this one, the tag's added. Then it's as simple as I put in an email. So the system says, send this email. I wrote the email with the coupon. I'm not going to show it to you because it has the coupon code in it. And then there's the end date. So as I said, you buy it, the tag's added to your record. Then in this automation, it checks to see whether the end date for your early bird special has been reached. If it has not been reached, it sends the coupon. If it has been reached, automation ends. Simple as that. Really easy to add in any kind of early bird thing that you can send via an email. Or, there are some other actions you can take as well, but I want you to keep it really simple. So see if you can give that a try. See if you have that in your own email marketing platform. If not, I will pop in the link to ActiveCampaign as well, because I switched over from Aweber a few years ago now to be able to have all this extra power, and it was well worth it. And having that early bird special has made a huge difference too. It's something I've been playing around with, what works, what doesn't, and I'm finding that having that really does help keep people from waiting to the very last second till when a launch is ending to get their copy. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Take care.